I am children's author Tracy Blom. That's me. Wait, that's me. And this is the book that I co-created with DiResta called Awning. In the back of this book, you will find a workshop that I'm gonna teach you how to build today. So a couple things you're gonna need: 63 popsicle sticks, decorations, maybe some paper, assortment of tape and glue and fun things to put on it, whatever these are, and hot glue. So what I'm doing is using some hot glue to put these together. It doesn't take very long for it to stick because it's hot glue, but watch your fingers because it's hot glue. So once you have your 8 sticks glued together, you're going to add 1 stick going across for the siding. You can even add 2 if you want, one at the top and one at the bottom. I like to put a little flare on mine and am putting just this blue kind of shiny, shimmery stuff to make it look pretty. This is just decorative tape. Okay, so now that we have the sides done, we're gonna be building the back of the shop, which is essentially just 12 popsicle sticks, all side by side, and glued together. And once we're done gluing these together, then we can add on maybe some of these, some of this, maybe some of this, whatever you want. All right, so now that the back is glued together, we're going to add just some siding, some decorative siding. I just have some colorful tape on mine, and you can color yours, you can glue things onto yours, whatever you want to do to make this your own. Get creative with it and have some fun. So now we are going to make the front of the house. So you're going to need 12 popsicle sticks, 4 on the left, 4 on the right, and these you're actually going to cut to look like this. And these are gonna go across the top and form your doorway. So if you want to be really precise, you can, draw a line across, whoops. Well, I'm not really precise, so. Like that. And then just cut. And I recommend cutting downward because these kind of shoot off and go kind of far. Yep. Whoops. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck. The whole So now what I'm gonna do is glue together the frame of the door, the left side, the right side, and then these little pieces are gonna line the top so that it completes the door. Trying to figure out what to use for the windows on the shop, and I found this, Rico, weird. No. So I was trying to figure out what to use for windows, and I found this tag, and what I'm gonna do is just cut this in half and draw some lines on here and make my windows. And what's cool about using a tag is it opens up. So you can make your windows actually open up like real windows. Going to put a little accent stick across the top of the door. Doing here is taking the back of the house and lining it up with one of the sides here and just making sure that everything lines up and is going to fit, which it should and does, and just making sure that I have it all ready to glue up. So I'm just going to start gluing. gonna do the same for the other side. So this will go here. Now that these 3 pieces are together, this front piece should slide right in and be very easy to glue in. Okay, so you're gonna get 13 popsicle sticks for the roof and lay them out side by side and glue them together like you did for the back and the sides. In the book, it says to put 2 of these here and here, but I'm gonna make a different design with mine. I am just gonna put 1 down the middle here and then add some jewels to my rooftop. So again, you can do whatever you want. You can put different, glued items on your roof. You can put paper on your roof. You can put jewels on your roof. You can put whatever you want on your roof. Just make it your own. Okay, so now I have my roof made and I put some decorations on there. I could also add some of this, but might be a little much. So I'm gonna go ahead and first place this on here and just make sure everything lines up, which it looks pretty good. And then I'm just gonna glue along the edges here first. Workshop averages about 1.5 sticks of hot glue, so. I totally put it on. So now there's an awning. This is by design. I put an awning on the back so that my people could sit outside. I'm gonna extend this out, maybe put a nice patio, hot tub in the back with some, gonna just make it really nice and peaceful for them on a nice summer night. So this one I'm actually really happy with. I like the flapping windows. And I also kind of like that my mistake with the roof turned into like this kind of cool awning. So yeah, sometimes mistakes can turn into something much better. So follow me on Instagram at blom.com and also follow Jimmy DiResta and tag us with your workshop builds because we really like seeing all the different workshops and designs that kids make. And I'm gonna be posting some of my favorite designs that you guys send to me on my website, which is theblom.com. And thank you guys for tuning in.